Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven. We're just doing some upholstery cleaning for a client. We've got this couch here. When we arrived, it was heavily stained with milk and other sorts of stains. But the customer has been putting different products in an attempt to try and clean it herself. Now the problem with that is that all that product that she's put in, and she's put 3 or 4 different products in there, is that it goes in the cushion, it's got nowhere to go. And the thing is, it may well have a chemical reaction and it may be actually damaging the fibres. But if you have a look here, I'll show you what we're extracting from the customer's cushion and what she's put in there. Extract. Right. This one done here, Dan, as well, yeah. Right. So this one we pretty much flushed through in an attempt to get rid of it. But now here you can see all the product coming up through the hand tool. And there's just loads and loads of suds coming up, and it's just frothing. You can see it here, all the froth and the foam from Vanish. She's put something on it called Method. Another product called, oh look at it, another product called Extra Tough Stain Remover, and all that is in the cushion. So obviously we've got to extract that. Now I've had to get the customer to sign a waiver form because I'm trying to clean that and extract it. So it may have had a real sort of permanent damage to the fabric. So my advice is don't try and clean it yourself, because you haven't got the equipment to extract the stain, or all that solution has got to go somewhere, and all it's doing is sitting in the foam and it's damaging your fabric. So instead of trying to do it yourself, call the professionals, let us do it for you. So give us a call on 01327 342 594. Hope that helps.